Push, walk. There you go. You got the kickstand down?
Yeah.
All right. That's the damage where she went over. Sun's bright. No damage elsewhere.
I hit, what, this cone here?
That's a pretty good one. As you can see, the back of the saddlebag bars, that's all there was. Front highway bars, also very little damage.
Do you know how hard it is?
I think they charge 4 hours in, 6 hours on the primary plus oil and gas. What do you do? Pick the mic up. There you go. Mike's not damaged. Primary's been hit here. Guard's been hit here. Saddlebag. The best part about these parts, they can be repaired in less than 10 minutes. All you gotta do is throw some weld on them, grind them down, buff them out or paint them. These are black. We have them in polished stainless steel. You can polish them right back up in about 10-15 minutes. Okay? Now you can go out, practice your skills in the parking lot, anytime, anywhere, without having to use a radiator hose or fire hose or any kind of other gadget that takes away from the parents of the bike and the value. All right?